step by step, and I'm a professional home stager. Since 2006, I have helped hundreds, probably thousands of home sellers just like you to sell their houses quickly and for more money. Now, one of the questions that pops all the time is how much should you be investing into your home staging project? And I get it because most of my clients have never staged before. So there's no magic number, there's no easy number for me to give you, and it all depends on your situation because every house is different, every client is different, every time frame is different, everybody's possibilities are different as well. But I will try my best to give you some directions and give you some clarifications about how to establish your home staging budget. So there's a couple of different cases. The case number one is if you have a vacant home. And if you, for whatever reason, are selling a vacant home, then you definitely should be looking into staging it. You don't necessarily have to do the whole house, but at least stage some important rooms first. And in order to do that, you're going to have to find a solution. So either you're going to go to a rental company and rent some furniture and accessories, or maybe you can leave some things behind from your own house. You can maybe buy some secondhand furniture and accessories. So there is a lot of different options, but most of those options do involve some costs, and those costs can be significant, especially if the house takes 2 or 3 or 4 months to sell. But I'm going to be talking about another scenario today, and that is a lived-in home. So that means it's a house where you live, and you have hopefully some furniture. Maybe it's good furniture, maybe it's not so good, maybe it's old, maybe there's too much of it, maybe there's too little, maybe your house is not very well decorated, or maybe it's overly decorated. And this is really what I focus on. So I'm Sveta from homestagingstepbystep.com, and I have developed a specific easy to use SBS method, which just stands for step-by-step method on how to prepare your house for sale and showcase it as its best so you can sell it fast and for top dollar. And to do that, one of the first steps is to really establish your budget. Now, of course, your budget has to work for you. And a lot of people get scared at this point and they get worried because right away they start thinking that it's going to cost them a lot of money. But there are ways of doing it not so expensively. You just have to be a little bit creative. And this is what I teach you how to do. So I help people who are motivated, who are budget conscious, who want to do the staging themselves, but they want some guidance to make sure that they're doing the right things, that they're doing it effectively, and that they're budget conscious so they don't overspend on things that are not necessary to do. So there is a number that's floating around, maybe you've seen it on the internet, that says that home staging should approximately cost you about 1% of the house market value. So there is some truth to it, but no scientific evidence, because every situation being different, of course, the investment is going to be different as well. But somehow in my 14 years of experience, magically, most of the time, it actually varies between 0.5 and 1.5% of the house market value. Now, we need to be a little bit more precise than that. I'm sure you do want to know a little bit more precisely how much it's going to cost you, your home staging project. So to help you guys out, in my 14 years, I've been working with so many home sellers and the questions are always the same. And so I've developed this easy to use tool. It's actually a downloadable worksheet. And I called it a fancy name. I called it the Ultimate Home Staging Budget Planner. And I will be giving 2 free workshops in April, one on April 28th at 12 p.m. Eastern time, and one on April 29th at 5 p.m. Eastern time. And I will be teaching during that about 1 hour how to use this worksheet effectively. So everything is pre-planned for you, and we'll be going through every line item in there. And I will show you what are the priorities, what items you should be looking at in terms of your preparation, your house preparation, and your home staging which is the second step and the last step. So it is really for home sellers who are living in the house, who have a furniture and some stuff to work with. And I hope you will join me. It's absolutely free, but you must register, and I will be putting a link right next to this video. So if you have any questions, you can contact me. I'm Svieta from homestagingstepbystep.com. And please register to the workshop. It's April 28th or April 29th only. The spaces are limited to 50 people per session. And I will teach you how to use my ultimate tool, the Home Staging Planner tool that you will be able to download, and that will clarify things for you, and it will get you going on your home staging project so you can sell your house quickly and mostly and most in the most profitable way. So I will see you soon. Thank you.